I've just come across an article whereby Mick Schumacher could be the only one that really realistically could replace Guanyu Zhou. Well, I think that all depends on what Audi has got to say on the matter. Yes, Guanyu Zhou brings a lot of money, but at the end of the day, it's Audi's decision, and I really think that a German driver like Mick Schumacher could be an option for a German team. Having said that, I don't think that is the only criteria, but I quite fancy a Nico Hülkenberg and Mick Schumacher combo. I think that would be just awesome. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you do like my channel, then don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.